How to use Loom Video Recorder for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Loom. So what is Loom? Well, Loom primarily is a video recording tool which allows you to easily record videos, edit them, and so much more. So let's get started with Loom. Simply head on over to loom.com, and once you go into loom.com, you can click on Get Loom for free. Once you do that, you're going to sign up for Loom. For this, you can use your pre-existing Google account or use your work email. I'm just going to be signing up with Google for a quick and easy sign up. Now, once you sign up with your email address or your Google account, you will be led to the next page, which is your actual Loom dashboard or your Loom space. Now, in your Loom space, you will see on the top left, you have a home panel, then you have your My Library section, notifications, watch later, history, earn free videos, and then your settings tab. Then on the top left, you will have your workspace where you can invite other members as well. You will see I have a total of 25 videos that I can create, and I can earn videos by inviting other people to join Loom. So even on the free plan, you always have the opportunity to grow. Now, how are you supposed to record on Loom? Well, for this, you can either click on record a video on the bottom left, and this is just the manual way to do it. This is going to be a bit slow. It's not going to be as efficient to have to open up Loom every time. Instead, what I recommend is go into the Chrome web store and search for the Loom application over here. So you're going to download the Chrome web extension for Loom, and this is what is recommended by Loom as well. So click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. Once you click on Add Extension over here, your extension has now been added. So you guys can see on the top right, my extension has now been added. And once my extension has been added, I can click on this puzzle icon. Then I'm going to pin the Loom extension, and then I'm going to click on Loom over here. Once I click on Loom over here, you guys can see on the top right, it's displaying what I want to record. So I've turned off the camera. You guys can see my camera bubble on the right. Then we have our full screen. So if we want to record our window only, so a specific window in our screen, if we want to record the current tab only, or if we want to record the camera only, then you can select your microphone as well. Once you do that, you can see on the bottom you also have effects that you can add, such as background effects for yourself, as well as canvases. So you can open up a canvas and start writing in that canvas as well. So this allows you to create more educational content or, some other type of video. Then after that, you also have a blur effect, so you can hide information as well, but this is a premium only feature. Then after that, you have your More tab where you can switch between settings. You have your video quality, as well as your recording countdown, recording controls, flip camera, and recording times. So I'm just going to click on record, and we're just going to confirm what to share. We're going to share our entire screen on Loom. And let's say I want to record a guide on how to make a logo on Canva. So all I have to do is I'm just going to turn on the Loom recorder. It's going to be playing. I don't have to revisit it over and over again. It's just going to keep on recording. So I'm going to click on start recording from here, entire screen, share. Now once I've clicked on share, I'm going to click on over here. And now our recording has begun. So how can we create a logo? Simply go on to Canva, search for a logo, blah, 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 blah. And you guys can see you will have a stop sharing icon on the bottom, and then you also have your control panel. Then you have your icon for you. You can increase or decrease the size, or even click on the close option to close that option where it has a pop-up of your profile image. Once your recording is complete, so once you've done everything, let's say I open up a template and then I change the template to lilies. And once I've done that, so this is how you can create your logo. I'm going to stop the recording by clicking on stop. You can also click on pause to pause your recording. And now that we've done that, we can now go into our Loom library to begin editing. So you guys can see this is what my video looks like. Now below that, it is going to give me a AI-based summary as well as add any chapters, especially if you have longer videos. Then on the right, you have AI trials for Loom AI, which includes writing documents, creating a bug report, and basically it summarizes your videos and removes filler words, adds titles, summaries, and also removes silences from your recordings. Then you have your edit and enhance options. After that, you have your activity. Then you also have a transcript. So, literally everything I said in our recording for Loom has been transcribed for me. And then we have views and then settings. In your settings, you can add video thumbnails, you have your background noise filter, you have the branded Loom player as well as animated thumbnails. And then once we have everything ready, we are just going to proceed. So now if you want, you can click on edit and you guys can upgrade to edit your videos on Loom as well. But I'm just going to click on copy link and I can share this with anyone or directly click on share video and I can share externally, share via social media, embed this video somewhere, or just share it like I regularly would using the link. Now, whenever you create videos on Loom, there is a limitation on the free plan. So I have this older video and you guys can see has generated, information about that. We have a bunch of different videos. We can also take screenshots using Loom. So that's another really simple and nice feature to have where you have integrated screenshots. So whenever you're building videos, you can take screenshots to build like step-by-step guides as well. And you guys can see that currently we can't edit anything, but in the past, the free version of Loom does usually allow you to edit your first video. And we can create different spaces in Loom as well by clicking on the plus icon on the bottom left. Now, with all these amazing features, what is the pricing on Loom? Because sure, it's an amazing tool for video recording or audio recording, but it does come at a price. And if you're looking to unlock some of its more useful features, such as Loom AI, then I definitely do recommend to opt for the premium version. So, with the starter version of Loom, which is the free version, you can create 25 videos with a 5-minute recording limit. You have your screen recording and cam recording bubble, as well as transcription in over 50 languages with comments and emoji reactions included. But if you want to upgrade, their business plan starts at $15 per month, where you can create unlimited video with unlimited recording times, basic waveform editing. You can remove the Loom branding as well as upload and download the videos you record. However, I recommend you guys opt for the Business Plus AI tool, which allows you to not only edit your videos and create unlimited videos with unlimited recording times, but it also removes your filler words and silence removal. So, how does it detect filler words? So, anytime I say or anything like that, where I'm filling out my spaces, where I'm not taking a break between sentences and I don't know what to say, it's automatically going to cut that out. It also can create auto titles, summaries, chapters, AI workflows, and edit video via transcript. So you can basically ask the Loom AI editor to remove the part of the video where you displayed how to add color to text, and it's automatically going to be able to do that. So this is definitely the best value for your money at only $20 a month. And then they also have enterprise versions for people with greater needs. You can scroll down in their pricing section for more details. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.